So how do you see your friends' activity on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos and tutorials like this one. So of course, all of the activity, whether yours or the shared through friends, can be found in the fitness app. So it's like these three rings on the icon. You get inside, obviously you can browse your regular data and all of the rings, but on the main page at the top entirely, just go to the person's icon in the bottom left corner. So you can see your current friends. So if you are sharing your activity, you can already see and switch it to a different person and see their current goal and everything, right? You can set up a competition within them or with them, right? And then you can also just hide your activity or remove friend, whatever. But in order to add new friends in here, make sure to invite a friend at the bottom. There is a button which appears when you scroll down, up a little bit more. You can invite a friend and it's going to access your contacts list. So you'll be able to send the invitation to anyone who is saved into your contacts. Obviously, you should be able to have access to their name or contact information. And that's how you can get started. Obviously, they have to accept it first, but then, they're going to appear part of your friends list, so you'll be able to just scroll through it and it just all will be fine. So let me know if you managed to make it work. In case of any questions, as always, let me know about those below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos as well.